Bluey stomped across the yard, her arms stretched wide, pretending to have giant wings. Roar! I am a mighty dragon, she shouted, smoke and fire filling her imagination. Bingo gasped, clutching her toy bunny. Bluey, you're huge. You're scary. What do you want, dragon? Bluey lowered her voice and growled, I want treasure, shiny treasure. The game began. Coco and Lucky joined in, piling shiny marbles, toy coins, and blocks into a big heap in the middle of the yard. This is your dragon hoard, Lucky declared. Bluey circled it proudly, her tail wagging like a fierce guardian. No one shall touch my treasure, she roared. The others squealed, running in all directions, pretending to sneak past her. Bingo crept closer with quiet steps, but Bluey whipped around. Caught you, little knight. Bingo yelped and dashed away, giggling. Coco tried next, tiptoeing with exaggerated care, but Bluey pounced, roaring again. The game grew louder, full of laughter, screams, and the clash of pretend swords. Suddenly, Snickers shouted, a real knight is coming to defeat the dragon. He grabbed a stick, holding it like a lance. Bluey raised her arms, flaring her imaginary wings. You dare challenge me, she cried. Snickers charged, but Bluey leapt aside, roaring so fiercely that even Mum peeked out the window to see what the chaos was about. Then Bingo had an idea. Wait. Maybe the dragon isn't evil. Maybe she's lonely. Everyone paused. Bluey tilted her head. Lonely? That was different. Bingo walked up bravely. Dragon Bluey, what if we share the treasure? Then you can have friends instead of just gold. For a moment Bluey stayed in character, glaring with narrowed eyes. But then her face softened. I suppose even dragons need friends. She spread her arms, inviting them closer. The kids cheered, piling into the circle, and together they sat around the treasure, laughing, sharing, and imagining they were inside a grand dragon's cave. As the sun dipped lower, Bluey looked at her friends with pride. That was the best dragon adventure ever. She turned to you with a fiery grin. So, do you dare face the dragon again? Stick around for our next story, and if you enjoyed the roar and the fun, smash that like and subscribe to join us every time.